I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a mint mongoose to share with you. So this is an inexpensive jewelry subscription. I always get super fun stuff in here and I always get excited. The little thing has more texture on it this month. Okay, so let's just see what we got. All right, so first things first, my Werther's Original Butterscotch Hard Candy. Ooh, this is a cute ring. Look at this. It's like a feather that wraps around, so it's adjustable, and it's a really cute feather. Oh my gosh, I love this. What do I think? I always feel so awkward showing off my rings. Like, I don't know how to hold my hand. Anyway, it's really cute. I love it, and it's comfortable too because it lays flat. I like it. I like it. Okay, let's see what's in the cute little... I almost called it paper towel. What's this stuff called? I see some earrings. It's all rose gold. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I just love the color on these. Let's see, I'm trying to like hold them so that you can actually see them. Ugh, okay, well, here's one of them. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with the color of this. It's like the exact color of the mint mongoose thing. Okay, and then let's look at the necklace, and then I will zoom you in so you guys can see. Oh, very cute. Yep, it is a matching necklace. Of course, somebody started like weed whacking outside right now. Cute. Okay, let's zoom in. So there's the earrings, very cute. I love them. They're like small and simple, elegant, but really pretty. And then the necklace matches, and again with just, you know, sort of an understated but still really pretty and elegant looking. I love this set. See, I always get great stuff in my mint mongoose. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box so you guys can check that out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!